Hi everyone. We have some light energies, light anomalies right over here and here and here, down in the right corner. As you can see. These are not uncommon to come off the lights. Not at all. My connection's really bad. But this is energy, light energy. I don't know anything more than that. There's nothing else I know. Okay? Just for the record. So to ask me anything, there's nothing I can tell you. Pretty fascinating though, isn't it? We won't be able to stay for too long because of the connection, I'm sure. Keep your eyes on it. They're getting smaller. But then again, anything can happen, yep. I'll leave it on for a few minutes so you can watch it. It's a car pulling up. I'm sure they can't see it. The one in the right corner is pretty much gone away. Pretty fascinating though. And there's water surrounding this place. So we know they like moisture, they like energy, and that's all I know. And how long they last depends on them. It's always different. Now this one's starting to do something. Let's take a peek over here. Oops, now we're over here. There's something in this one. Whoa. That's fascinating. Remember now, I do not know. I have no answers for you. Moisture and energy, that's it. I don't even know if that's correct. If it has anything to do with it or not. It's just my guess. I used to tape things like this all the time. Every other video was this type of anomalous happenings. I don't do much of it anymore. Ooh, look at that. I wonder if that's part of the building. If that's not part of the building, I have a theory. Hopefully it's like a satellite sitting on a building. If it's not, I'll definitely have a theory. I think it is, though. It might be a dish. But a lot of these times, these things go into the lights in the end. They'll be created around the light, and in the end, they go back into the light, which I call source. They go back to source. It's really all I know. And I don't even know if that's correct. It's cool to watch, though, that's for sure. Another vehicle. Alright, connection's getting bad, so I hate leaving these when they're going. Alright, but we're gonna have to. It could get really crazy from here. It has tended to take up half the screen before. I'd like for you to be able to see it go back into the lights, is what I'd like. But we're not going to have that kind of time. Yeah, connection's bad. There we go. We had enough time for that. Dang. And it snapped back that fast. Did you see the light on the one on the right? That was pretty cool. Okay, we're at 13 minutes. How can you get tired of seeing it, though? Especially if you haven't seen it before. I don't know if you guys have seen this before, if I've showed it. Good jiggy. There we go. Whoa. Let me see if I get down here. Hopefully they'll still be there.